In this video, we will show you how to create and manage menus in Micros Simphony. Menus are an essential component of any restaurant business, as they define the dishes and items available for customers to order. By properly organizing and managing your menus, you can ensure a seamless dining experience for your customers. Let's get started. To create and manage menus in Micros Simphony, you need to access the menu management feature. Start by logging into your Micros Simphony account and navigating to the admin dashboard. From there, locate the Menu Management option and click on it. This will open up the menu management interface, where you can perform various menu-related tasks. To create a new menu, click on the New Menu button in the menu management interface. This will prompt you to enter a name for the menu and select the type of menu, such as breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Once you've specified these details, click on the Create button to generate the new menu. You can then start adding dishes and items to the menu. Micros Simphony provides various options to manage menu items. You can add new items, edit existing items, or delete items from your menu. To add a new item, navigate to the desired menu and click on the Add Item button. Fill in the necessary details such as item name, description, price, and any additional options or modifiers. Click on Save to add the item to your menu. To edit or delete menu items, simply locate the respective item and make the necessary modifications. Proper organization of menus is crucial for a smooth customer experience. Micros Simphony allows you to create menu categories and assign items to these categories. This helps customers easily navigate through the menu and find their desired dishes. To organize your menus, access the Menu Management interface and locate the Categories option. Create new categories and drag and drop items into the respective categories. You can also rearrange the order of categories to suit your preferences. Once you've created and organized your menus, it's time to publish them for customers to see. In the Menu Management interface, locate the Publish option and click on it. This will make the menus visible to customers via the online ordering system or any other platforms. You can also set specific dates and times for menu publishing, allowing you to plan ahead and offer seasonal or limited time menus. Managing menus in Micros Simphony is a straightforward process that enables you to create, modify, and organize your restaurant menus efficiently. By following these steps, you can ensure that your customers have a seamless and enjoyable dining experience. Start exploring the menu management features in Micros Simphony today and make your restaurant menus stand out. If you're looking for an alternative support service for Oracle Micros that will save you time and money, then you've come to the right place. Our service offers 24-hour live service, free equipment, no cost, and one phone number for billing, software and hardware support. Best of all, Shift 4 Hotel Support Service eliminates all gateway fees and offers an option to avoid the new 8% cost increase from Oracle Micros support contract fee. Click the link in the description to speak with an alternative agent and get more information about the new free support from Shift 4's Micros Center of Excellence.